Custom Point Rubrics and Discussion Grading. Part 2. Associate the rubric with the discussion. In the first part of this presentation, we made a custom points rubric and captured it in a PDF. In the second part, we will share the rubric with students and associate it with a discussion topic grade item. This presentation covers the following specific topics: why we might choose to grade discussions, how we can share our expectations for a graded discussion with students in a rubric format, and how we can deploy the rubric for use in grading discussion. What would be our motivation for grading discussions? Here are some thoughts. There will be a grade for the course. If discussion is a major course activity, then it should count. In some cases, a discussion topic is one way for students to demonstrate their understanding of a key course topic or mastery of a learning objective. Grading rubrics are student-centered and faculty-driven. Students are empowered when instructors share expectations in advance. They also see the rationale for the grades they receive. Faculty have a consistent method for assessing student work and can take advantage of a convenient click-off grading method to combine with individual feedback. How can you show your discussion rubric to students before they post and get assessed? There are two ways. Attach your PDF of the discussion rubric to the discussion description using the Quick Link tool, or, in the discussion instructions, tell students the name of the rubric and how to find it and preview it in the Rubric tool in Class Tools. I prefer the first of these because it does not require students to leave the discussion topic in order to view the rubric. That's the one I'll show you. Now we're going to do the work of modifying the discussion topic itself. In the discussion list, we choose Edit Topic from the drop-down menu on the topic listing. Assuming you've already made a PDF of the rubric, if you've already uploaded it to the file manager, use the Quick Link tool in the WYSIWYG editor to link it into the discussion topic description. If the PDF is just on your computer but not yet uploaded, you can use the Insert Stuff link. We're inserting a quick link. Choose Course File from the drop-down menu as your resource type. Course File is showing in the menu. You browse to the file, and you also enter, as the link caption, the words the student will see. And you want to make it open in a new window, so the discussion will still be there. Finally, you click Insert. Now that the rubric is available for students to see, let's see what we need to do to the Assessment tab of the discussion topic. Full disclosure, please keep the following in mind regarding the material ahead. There may be occasions when you do use an accumulated discussion grade. It's just very different from the way most NLU faculty members grade discussion most of the time. There is nothing to stop you from using the rubric in the Assessment tab of discussion, but students will not be able to see how you have graded them, just a final score. The somewhat complicated process shared in this presentation is the workaround that is most consistent with NLU practice in discussion grading. It is not the only way to do things. We need a grade item for the discussion, so we'll click New Grade Item. If you already had a grade item for the topic, you would not need to make a new one. Do not click Add Rubric on the Edit Topic Assessment screen. If you were to do this, you could use your rubric to calculate a grade, but your student would never see how you marked him or her with the rubric. Also, if you grade the participation in this discussion topic as a whole, consider the initial posts and any required responses in your rubric for the discussion. Be sure you don't click Assess Each Message. Okay, explanation over. Now we're clicking New Grade Item. In the last screen, we clicked New Grade Item. In this screen, we are creating the new grade item for our discussion. This is the place to add your rubric to the grade item itself. Then students will be able to see how you score them. Put a check mark next to the rubric we built for discussion, then click Add Selected. The rubric is attached to the grade item. The grade item is almost attached to the discussion. Save and close. Do not click anything else on this screen. The grade item now controls the points that will be recorded for this discussion topic. Save, then close the topic. There are special issues with grading small group discussions. The solutions are likely to be course-specific. If you would like to discuss your group discussion grades with an instructional designer, email learning@nl.edu. The third and final part of the presentation will cover grading student discussions with a rubric. Also, you'll see how the graded discussions look to students.